Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. We're back with Play It Safe. Has anybody managed to guess my 3-digit code correctly, break into the safe and win what's inside? The answer is yes. We've got ourselves a winner tonight. So because it's gone past 1 day, one more coin is added to the prize pot. We've got the Peter Rabbit 50p coin from 2018 added to that really nice London 2012 sports collection consisting of 5 Olympic 50p coins. So then the code, we've got one lucky winner, only one person as well, so all these coins are theirs. The code, last digit 0, the second digit 7, the first digit 8, so that number is 870. The person that guessed it correctly, it is a previous winner on the channel, but not for a while now. Jacob Robert Coins, congratulations to you. Drop that email address below. I have deleted a lot of past emails from last year, so I won't have your email anymore, just to keep everybody's details safe. Again, a huge shout out to everyone that's taken part. The prize draw, or maybe not prize draw, for how many coins are in Dan's box will be coming up in about half an hour's time. Best of luck to everyone in that one as well. Play It Safe will be back next week. Have a lovely night, guys, and as always, thanks for watching.